Happy day, my dear children. We have seen so many topics under the chapter 2 Angles Around You. Today also we are going to continue with same chapter Angles Around You. Look around. Look around means we have to see the real life objects which is around you. What is symmetry? One shape become exactly like another when you move it in some way. This is called symmetry. We are going to look around the real life symmetric objects. Let me look around the real life symmetric objects around you in your home. By looking around the objects, you have to find whether all the objects are symmetry or not. Do all the objects show symmetry in your home or anywhere? Did you look around it? I looked around in my home. My answer is not all the objects show symmetry. Next question is list 3 objects from your studio and complete the table. In previous pages of your book, you have so many objects which are listed about symmetry and not symmetry. You have to find the objects from your studio book and write the objects names under object column. Then find those objects which are no symmetry or line symmetry or rotational symmetry. According to the object, you have to find it what object comes under which category. Write the correct answer under the particular column. Next 2.23 activity. Certain words have symmetry too. First one, identify the type of symmetry for the given words. 3 words are listed below inside the circle. We have to find it. What are the letters comes under reflectional symmetry and what are the letters comes under rotational symmetry? From all these letters inside the circle, OHIX shows reflectional symmetry and OHI shows rotational symmetry. Remaining all the letters does not shows reflectional and rotational symmetry. For second question, you have to draw line of symmetry for all the words inside the circle. You have to do it. Children, I have listed all the alphabets. You have to find it. What are the letters or reflectional symmetry and what are the letters or rotational symmetry? Mirror line images or reflectional symmetry and the letters looks the same even when you rotate it in any direction, then it is called rotational symmetry. Separate all the letters according to these categories and write it in the space given. Next, we are going to think about what it is given and write the correct answer using the ink. Let me think about the question which is given and write it. Okay, children? Certain figures looks the same in different position because of symmetry. We are going to think about it and find the right answer. Look at the image of wheel X in figure 10. Draw the line of symmetry for the wheel. If you draw the line of symmetry, then we will get 1 by 2 turn or 1 by 4 turn or 1 by 6 turn. You have to find it which turn comes after drawing line of symmetry. In this figure 10, wheel X looks the same when it rotates and A takes the position of B. From A, it takes a rotation of 90-degree angle up to B. So how many line of symmetry we will get it? We will get 2 lines of symmetry. It will be divided into 4 parts, which means 1 by 4 turn. Second question, look at the image of wheel Y in figure 11. Does this wheel show rotational symmetry? Explain your answer. Children, look at the wheel. If we rotate the wheel into different direction, do we get the same? If we get the same means, then it is called rotational symmetry. Otherwise, it is not a rotational symmetry. You have to find the answer and give the correct explanation. Look at the next question. Draw at least one shape that has both reflectional and rotational symmetry. We have seen many shapes under the topic symmetry in previous pages. You have to think of it and write the correct answer for third question, children. Next one is now I can. This is a self-assessment component. In this, you have to reflect what you have learned in this lesson and you have to put tick mark if you can identify or create what it is given. Otherwise, you have to put cross mark for unknown answers. I hope you all understood the concept of symmetry under chapter 2 angles around you. Do well children. Thank you my dear kids.